love that Gallo-Bardo ending. That was terrific.
Hey, Willard, in my book, B stands for Big Bird. This gentle heap of flying feathers, furnished by, of course, the Children's Television Workshop, has taught millions of preschoolers how to read. To the delight of all the children watching our parade, Big Bird left his nest on Sesame Street to fly down Broadway today. And, of course, never one to shirk his duties. Big Bird is sporting an alphabet sweater and ABC balloons.
Into Herald Square and Aaron Tippin, a singer who rocked the record world when his debut album, You Gotta Stand for Something, became an ode to the Gulf War. He sings country and